Welcome back to the vlog. What we're doing today, put some blue tints on my fog lights. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a pain in the butt, man. I mean, like curving all this thing around, especially with cold weather, cause I hate waiting. But man, it's a pain in the butt. So you can tell, you know, like if you look pretty close, you can tell it got some, like right here, it just ripped on me. But I ran out of blue paper, so I'm gonna leave that there. Maybe on summer later on, if I get more paper, I redo it. But that's something that you don't see unless you get really close. Sorry for my nails, I need to cut them. But unless you get really close, you won't be able to tell that. Like from here, you can tell. But I think it gives a good look to the car. I did this. Put a light tint on it. Put some eyelets. I actually got this eyelet carbon fiber, but I put a black vinyl on them because I didn't want them carbon fiber. So I put a black vinyl, made them look really nice, and the vinyl matched pretty good with the car. So I just put a light tint on them. Boom. And I just put a blue tint on the fog lights. So it gives the car a really nice look. And I already did them side mirrors with the poke on the side. It looked like, I don't know, I don't even know how it looked, but it looked pretty good. But anyway, that's the video for today. Just some blue tint. Take this thing off, some pop blue tint, and that's it. I kind of sprayed this real quick with gloss black. I mean, I just did it real quick. It was like that. So I kind of just sprayed some gloss black on it. I don't know, just cause I thought it probably looked better. So anyway, no big deal. Because it's always getting hit by the rocks when you're driving. So that's not a big deal. But anyway, that's the video for today. Boom, looking sexy. Oh, I did this too. Right here. I replaced this and I put this blue tint on it. Yep. Another blue tint. Looking pretty nice with all the combination on the car. Trying to go black and blue. I already did that with the M symbol on it. But anyway, you got any questions, leave it on the comment section. Thanks to all the subscribers. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you all. Please tell your friends to subscribe too, man. I'm gonna keep loading videos every week. Support the channel, support the cause. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video if you can. And I'll see you until the next one. Alright, be safe, you know.